How to use Protos batteries safely. Protos batteries for Protos drones only. 830 mAh MSDS and UN 38.3 certified. Lighter, smaller, safer than traditional batteries. Hover time 10 minutes. Flight time depends on how you fly. 3 batteries in the kit, up to 30 minutes fun. Built-in low voltage protection. Power cuts if battery runs too low. Always check your battery level to avoid mid-air shutdown. If power cuts mid-flight, recharge to reactive. Insert battery into hub. Connect power. Auto start charging in 3 seconds. Protos charging hub, the only approved charger for Protos batteries. Never charge unattended. Use correct power supply. Safe and dry only. Protos hub only. Clean terminals. Avoid short circuit. Cool before charging. If warm after flight.
Hub charges left to right.
LEDs show progress. Smart chip auto cutoff when full. Use the included adapter or power bank or car charger. For long-term storage, enable storage mode. Hold the function button 3 seconds. LEDs flashes 3 times to confirm. The hub adjusts voltage automatically to 3.85 volts. Switch back to normal mode after storage. Charge times: 1 battery 20 minutes, 3 batteries 16 minutes. 1 battery discharge to storage about 50 minutes. 3 batteries about 150 minutes total.